Hello everyone, let's begin with a book that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 5 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with another chapter today, that is chapter number 30, all about sports. In this chapter, the question says that name the sports for which the given terms are associated with. कुछ terms दिए हुए हैं, कुछ sports से related हैं वो, उन terms को read करके आपको उनके यहाँ answers लिखने हैं. And you can take the help of the help desk also. So let's begin with the exercise, children. So the first term associated with the game is net fault and volley pass, and the name of the sport is volleyball. Then next we have loop and flick, and this term is associated with the game hockey. Then third one, top spin and drop shot, and this is lawn tennis. Fourth is fast break and dribbling. These terms are related to basketball. Then next we have headlock and belly down. The answer for this is wrestling. Sixth is knock-in and melee. The answer for this sport is polo. Then the other term used for the sport is offside and penalty. The answer for this is football. Then eighth one, bishop and checkmate, and this term is used in chess. Ninth is target and bullseye, and this term is used in archery. The last one is our favorite, toss and leg by, and the sport is cricket. So this was all about the various terms which are associated with the respective sports. Let's now move to the quick fact. The quick fact says that the United States is the country with the most Olympic medals in the history of the Olympic Games. Olympic Games की हिस्ट्री में अगर किसी कंट्री ने सबसे ज़्यादा मेडल्स लिए हैं, that is United States. So this is it. Let's now move to the next page. Now on this page, they are asking you another question that you have to name the sport to which these personalities belong from the help by taking the help from the help desk. ये स्पोर्ट्स के नेम है, आपको रिस्पेक्टिव स्पोर्ट्स का नाम लिखना है कि ये किस स्पोर्ट से एसोसिएटेड है. तो चलिए करें इसे. The first name is Ravindra Jadeja, and he is from the Indian cricket team, hence the respective sport is cricket. Then we have Abhinav Bindra, and he belongs from shooting. Next we have Sushil Kumar, and Sushil Kumar belongs to the sport wrestling. Then we have Vijender Singh, and Vijender Singh is related to boxing. Fifth is K. Malleshwari, and this personality is related to weight lifting. Then we have Andre Russell. Andre Russell is related to cricket. The next is our other favorite cricket player MS Dhoni, and he is related to the cricket. Eighth is Venus Williams, and the answer is tennis. Ninth, Leander Pace, and again for this is also the answer tennis. 10th is Syed Modi, and Syed Modi is associated or related with badminton. Then the 11th one is Messi, and he is associated to football. 12th is Dhyan Chand, and Dhyan Chand is associated to hockey. 13th we have Ronaldo, and he is associated with football. 14th is KD Singh Babu, and he is related to hockey. The last one is 15th Maria Sharapova, and she is associated to tennis. So with this we have completed this question. We have written the answers for the respective players and to which sport they are associated to. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you must have liked the video. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video and take care and goodbye.